Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Tim Harrigan. I want to talk to you about our spinal health for a minute, okay? We show all of our patients how to do some very specific exercises to help improve their posture. We've talked about how the head comes forward over time. It's called tech neck. This is very stressful on your spinal cord, on your nervous system, on the rest of your structure. So just imagine my center of gravity, if that starts changing, whether my head goes forward or my hips go backward or forward, literally your center of gravity changes. So you put different biomechanical tension on different body parts. So if my head goes forward, that literally affects your lower back. More important than that, I don't want you spending a lot of time in this position unless we have a way to cancel that out, because it creates spinal degeneration or arthritis or spinal decay, whatever you want to call it. So I wanted to show you this chart here because the more time we spend in these bad postural positions, the more changes we're going to have occur to our spine. And our spine is irreplaceable. We get one with that. So if I have all this degeneration when I'm 55, well, there's some things we can do to slow it down, maybe prevent it from getting worse over time, but we can't reverse it. There's no such thing as a spine transplant. We can replace knees and hips and things like that, but there's no spine transplant. We get one shot with it. So we don't want to wait until we start hurting to start taking care of that. That doesn't make any sense. That's like waiting until I have a heart attack to start working on my heart disease, right? And usually a heart attack is the first symptom of heart disease, which takes 10, 20, 30 years to occur. So if I just wait for those symptoms to develop, you're kind of too late, right? And half the people die with the heart attack. More important, your spine, literally, you can't really change it. Once you start getting into these degenerative changes, you can see here, this head is forward, there's changes to the discs down here. So that's why we show all of our patients how to improve your posture, how to create this extension dominance versus this flexion dominance, this position that we're in all day long, because it creates changes to your spine. That's not good because it's irreplaceable. So the more things that we can do throughout our life, eating less inflammatory foods, having good posture while I'm sitting at my desk, maybe having a standing workstation. These things are all very important to take care of the one spine we get throughout our lifetime. So, let us know if you want those stretches, if you already know those stretches. If you don't have those yet, we can show you how to use the YWTLs to basically cancel out this forward posture that we spend most of our day in.